Hi, I'm EyeOnAiman, and welcome back to another FischerTechnik video in a series of FischerTechnik challenges. Today we're doing FischerTechnik Challenge number 7, the Pick and Place Challenge. So let me demonstrate to you what my solution looks like. This is a more simple solution than the other one I have. First we're going to calibrate. Okay, and while this is going, let me put this down. This is going to be where it drops it off. And let's call this, let's call this our part. So we're going to place it in between these rubber bands, block the light. The rubber bands are going to hold on to it. They're going to go over the basket. Uh-oh. Oh, there we go. There we go. Might be a bit too big for the basket. Oh! And it worked perfectly. Alright, so that's it for... Now it's ready for another thing to be placed in the middle. Let's try my Kirby figure right here. Hello there. We are going to put you in like this. We need to put him in a way that he'll get actually this should be good. So let it pick him up. And then there we go. I hope this works. Hello there. Whee! There we go. So, this is very simple. I mean, if you boil it down, it's simple. It looks complex, but there's only 2 motors, 1 light, and 4 limit switches. And then there's this one analog photoresistor. But anyway, you have a motor here that controls the worm screw that makes this go back and forth. And then you have one motor here that controls the back and forth movement. Pardon me. Oh. And you can see that motor moving right now. Then you have this one light here that just sends out a light in the idle mode. Then you have this photoresistor that detects when this is being blocked by the part that you want to be grabbed. Then you have these 2 limit switches on each side to detect when it's at the max right and left movement. Then these 2 limit switches, 1 and 2, to detect the back and forward max movement. And then after that, really, all you have to do is program it so that they trigger when the light gets blocked, and then the motor stops moving when it hits those limit switches. The most important part of this is the claw. Now, for my mechanism here, I use a rubber band and elastic to make that claw grab. But you'll see in my other video that you can actually use just regular parts to squeeze onto your part. So this is a very straightforward activity. It should be worth more than the rest of them because this is a bit harder to do. But there we go. So good luck on your pick and place challenge and show me your results. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.